Hey, it's Jason at Hangtown Affordable Auto Repair with today's video. 2003 Silverado was in our parking lot yesterday morning with no explanation. So we went out and looked at it. It said service brake system on the instrument cluster. Opened the hood, no brake fluid in the reservoir. So we brought it in, did a brake inspection, found that brake fluid is leaking all over this tire. Then we took it apart, found that's our rotor. That's what it should look like. So the pads went metal to metal and wore all the way through, all the way down into the fins. Talked to the client, he said he lost all his brakes, and the reason for that is because when it goes metal to metal and you keep going and going and going, it breaks your caliper and all the fluid comes out and you have no brakes. So if you hear squealing or grinding, quit driving your car. Have a good day.